It's time for a switch. To reduce kitchen monopoly, which sort of like hands power to a certain individual all the time for the kitchen. If the head of house was that way, then one head of house would be all through for 10 weeks. I know it's not. So when the next head of house comes, they can decide to change that. But someone...
Pere addresses the housemate as he sacks WhiteMoney from kitchen duties. After Big Brother Naija Season 6 housemate Pere won the head of house, there has been a series of changes in the house. One of the things that he highlighted while having a short meeting with the housemate is the fact that no one will disrespect anyone in the house. How Pere goes about exercising his duties as the head of house has left some viewers thinking that the 36-year-old reality star is taking his duties so far. Few hours ago, Pere has relieved WhiteMoney of kitchen duties because, according to him, WhiteMoney has been using that as a strategy to win the show. After telling WhiteMoney to stay away from the kitchen for some time, he went forward to outline how the cooking of food should be prepared among the housemates.
I'm about to cut you some slack. So from now till Monday, somebody else will be in charge of the kitchen. I know you're not complaining, but so you can just relax. And then if this trend will go on like, rotation, a week, and then one person handles 1 week, another person handles a week. If the next head of house wants to carry on like that, that's fine. But if they don't, then that's okay.